Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to guide you through the installation process of Peachtree Accounting Software, which is a crucial tool for managing your accounting tasks effectively. In this lecture, I will explain each step clearly to set up this vital software on your computer. Let's begin. First, open the installation folder where you put the Peachtree Accounting Software. Second, run the installer. Double-click the setup file or right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Third, proceed with the installation. Click Next to continue. 4. Accept the license agreement. Read the license agreement, then click Agree, and then proceed by clicking Next. 5. Allow firewall access. Click Yes to allow the program. 6. Adjust antivirus settings. Click OK on the antivirus software setting window, and then wait till the setup is searching for previous installations. And then the serial number window will appear. Of course, it may take a few minutes to complete this process. 7. Enter your serial number. Input the serial number found on the back of the Peachtree Accounting CD case. If you downloaded Peachtree, check your confirmation email for the serial number. After entering the serial number, for example, 842000000, then click Next. 8. Choose the installation type. In the standalone or network window, select Yes if this is only computer running Peachtree, or choose No if you plan to share Peachtree company data on a network. Then click Next. 9. Specify program files location, which is a directory for the program files. Set the location for the Peachtree program files and then click Next. 10. Choose a location for your Peachtree company data, which is the primary location of your company data files. You can browse and choose the location. 11. Components. Select the additional Peachtree components you would like to install. This component includes sample company data for Peachtree, then tick on the sampled company data. 12. Review summary. In a summary window appeared, review the information provided, for example, Peachtree program file and Peachtree company data. 13. Begin installation. Click Install to start the installation process. 14. Check the installation progress. The setup status window will display the progress, including the installation of Sage Software Integration Services. 15. When the installation is complete, check Start Peachtree Accounting and click Finish. After installing Peachtree Accounting Software, the 4 shortcuts typically appear on your desktop. The first shortcut is Peachtree Quantum, the main application for accessing all accounting features. The second shortcut is Peachtree Accounting Help, a resource for user guides and help documentation. The third shortcut is Peachtree Write-Up, a feature for managing write-up services and reports. The fourth shortcut is Peachtree Payroll, a shortcut for payroll management tasks. These shortcuts provide quick access to the different functionalities of the software. This is all about this installation process. Thank you for following this guide.